just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Today we are going to Ashtalakshmi temple in Chennai. From past 3 days, I'm just posting Chennai vlogs. It is very interesting, guys. Who are really interested, please go ahead and check it out, my travel vlogs. We just plan to visit this temple in the evening, that too it's on Friday. But we were not aware of the temple opening timings nor the closing timings. But this temple is very famous in Chennai, guys. Ashtalakshmi temple, which lies on the shorelines near the Elites beach in Chennai. The temple is dedicated to the goddess Lakshmi and her 8 primary forms. The gifts of all 8 forms of wealth, namely offspring, success, prosperity, wealth, courage, bravery, food, and knowledge. The Vedas and Puranas says that goddess Lakshmi has emerged out of the ocean when the Devas and Asuras churned the milk ocean. Mahavishnu married her and they both fulfilled the desires of the devotees. Goddess Lakshmi is the deity who grants the eightfold achievements and eightfold wealth as both Mahavishnu and Mahalakshmi with her 8 forms reside in this temple. It is known as the Ashtalakshmi temple in Chennai. It is befitting to have a temple constructed and consecrated on the shores facing the sea for goddess Lakshmi, whose birthplace is the sea. Ashtalakshmi temple in Chennai. So this is the temple, guys, and very opposite it you can even see the beach, which is really very beautiful. Beautiful evening, beautiful seashore. Wow. And very opposite it, very powerful temple, which is my favorite god, Ashtalakshmi temple. I'm so excited to visit this place, guys, but unfortunately we were not aware of the timings of this temple due to this pandemic situation. By 1 o'clock itself they will close, it seems, in the sense 1 p.m. and weekends they are not opening the temples itself. In complete Tamil Nadu they are not opening the temples in the weekend. We're gonna plan again to visit this temple, guys, which is really a very powerful temple, which is opposite to the seashore. Definitely it is going to be amazing experience. So we are planning to come in the early morning next time. So here we feel like having some snacks. They're preparing for us. We already took a parcel to have in the car. So guys, next day morning we are just leaving Chennai. We're going back, guys. This is very huge and famous market in Chennai, which is Coimbatore market. This is the place where you can see the huge varieties of vegetables, fruits, flowers, whatnot, guys. But it is a place where you can sell, buy, and all the trading happens here only. We're going back home, guys, and here it's time for lunch. So we are searching for a best hotel to have the non-veg, especially biryani. So here we are. Wow, you can even see, and it is looking so colorful, and the taste, extraordinary, guys. Tamil Nadu's biryani, definitely we're gonna enjoy this. Presentation is more important than a food taste, what I really feel, guys. They've served in a banana leaf. Wow, even the biryani taste also very nice, guys, very tasty. We are going back, guys, and on the way beautiful greenery you can see. and we're really enjoying this travel. And talking about Max, he's not having food properly. Once we reach home only, he'll be okay. And as of now, he's drinking only the coconut water and plain water, like that. Only liquids he's taking. He's not able to have because of his fever. Now he's fine, but once we reach only, he'll be okay. So that's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with the new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.